A very warm good morning to everybody. I'm Ruchi Mehla from Mechanical Branch 7th semester. I'm presenting a PPT on footstep power generation system. I'm very thankful to Vinod Kumar Verma sir for his guidance and support. This paper is all about generating electricity when people walk on the floor. Think about the force you exert when what which is wasted when a person walks. The idea is to convert the weight energy to electrical energy. The power generating floor intended to translate the kinetic energy to the electrical power, though it won't meet the requirement of electricity. But as a matter of fact, if we are able to design a power generating floor that can produce 100 watt on just 12 steps, then for 120 steps we can produce 1000 watt. And if we install such type of 100 floors, which is which this system, then it can produce a megawatt. And in this slide, these are the content that we are going to discuss further. Introduction. The rising value of new technology each day demands the more power of electricity as the human being increasing day by day, and hence the energy demand increasing linearly. Every person goes some amount of energy is used by them. The utilization of this waste energy used in the food power very much useful and important, where there will be a huge crowd of people each day. The project footstep power generation system is being designed on the principle based on piezoelectric technology. The need of this system is highly populated countries like India and China, where the roads, railway stations, bus stand, temples, etc. are all overcrowded and millions of people move around the clock. The whole human wasted if energy if can be made possible for utilization, it will be great invention, and crowd energy formed will be very useful source in crowded countries. The utilization of waste energy of food power with the human motion is very important for highly populated countries like India and China. This is the block diagram of footstep power generation system. It consists of piezo sensor, AC repulse neutralizer, unidirectional diode, battery, inverter, switches, and AC DC loads. And the basic working principle of our project is the piezoelectric sensor. To implement this, we adjust the wooden plates above and below the sensor and movable springs. Non-conventional energy using footstep is converting mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Footstep board is consist of 16 piezoelectric sensors which are connected in parallel. When the pressure is applied on the sensor will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electrical energy will be storing in the 12 voltage rechargeable battery connected to inverter. We can using conventional battery charging unit also for giving supply to the circuitry. The inverter is used to convert the 12 voltage DC to the 230 voltage AC is used to activate the loads. By the use by the using the AC voltage we can operate AC loads. This is the energy storing table. The power generation by the footstep power generation can be stored in an energy storing device. The output of the generator was fed to a 12-volt lead acid battery through an AC DC converter bridge. The arrangement is shown in figure. The duration of lighting the bulb for number of footstep and corresponding energy stored as given in the table. The piezoelectric material converts the pressure applied it to the electrical energy. Maximum theoretical voltage generation. When a force applied on material, a charge is generated across it. Thus, it can be assumed to be an ideal capacitor. When three piezoelectric discs are connected in series, the equivalent capacitance become 1 upon C equivalent equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Thus, V equivalent equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Hence, the net voltage generated in series connected in the sum of individual voltage generated across each piezoelectric disc. And analysis done on piezo tiles. This is the relation between the weight of person and power generated. From the graph it can be seen that maximum voltage is generated when maximum weight or force is applied. The main component of this project is piezoelectric sensors. The piezoelectric sensor is a device that uses the piezoelectric effect to measure pressure, acceleration, strain, or force by converting them to an electrical signal. They are used for quality assurance, process control, and for research and development areas. Since then, this measuring principle has been increasingly used and can be regarded as a mature technology with an outstanding inherent reliability. It has been successfully used in various applications such as in medical, aerospace, nuclear instrumentation, and as a pressure sensor in the touchpads of mobile phones. And the equipment needed in this system is R8089S52 microcontroller. We are using this microcontroller to display the amount of battery get charged when we place our footstep on piezoelectric sensors. The next one is AC ripple neutralizer. It is used to remove the ripples from the output of the rectifier and smoothes the output of the DC which is received from the filter. Third is unconditional current controller. As name indicates, this circuit allows only one direction current flowing. The next is voltage sampler. The function of this acid circuit is to sample an analog input signal and hold this value over a certain length of time for subsequent processing. This is the block diagram of sample and hold circuit as we can see here. And the fifth is LCD 16x2. The display is used to the footstep power generation project to display the voltage status. It is also provided with a contrast adjusting pin. The next is rectifier. The bridge rectifier is a circuit which converts an AC voltage to DC voltage using both half cycle of the input AC voltages. The seventh component is ADC, analog to digital converter. It is a device that converts analog to digital. It is an electric device that alter an analog input like voltage or current to a digital output which is related to the magnitude of the voltage or current. And the advantage of the system is no need fuel input. This is a non-conventional system and it no moving parts, long service life, self-generating, no external power required, compact yet highly sensitive, reliable, economical, eco-friendly, less consumption of non-renewable energies, power also generated by running or exercising on the step. Battery is used to store the generated power. The disadvantages are only applicable for the particular place. Initial cost of this arrangement is high, output affected by the temperature variation. Initial cost is high, care should be taken for batteries. The applications are footstep generated power can be used for agriculture, home applications, street lighting. Footstep power generation can be used in emergency power failure situation, etc. And the places to be installed are railway stations, football stadium, shopping malls, footpaths, school and colleges, disco and clubs, and government hospitals. Thank you so much for your kind attention.